Hey, welcome. And we got a new collection called Products Created. And these are the fields we are currently saving to our database. And in this lecture, we are going to be able to store the rest of the data. Okay. To do this, we have to go back to our VS Code and then we have to go to the upload, upload underscore screen. And now we can use Ctrl and B to make this wide. Ctrl and sorry, Ctrl and B. I'm just gonna wait till okay, great. And now we can this, copy this, and duplicate. We're just gonna duplicate this up to I think we have up to 4 5 fields left. Just gonna duplicate this up to 4 times, and we have this one year via because we already have that value already. Sorry, key. We already have this key already, and that is why we are having this blue order line. Okay, now the other field we want to store is going to be the schedule date. In order to avoid errors, we can just make sure the spelling is correct, and we are saving the key, which is going to be the value. And okay, we can just go ahead and store the schedule date. That is the date the product is going to be delivered. And sorry for that. Just going to cancel this and scroll down to where we have the upload underscore screen. And I'm going to paste this over here, schedule date and schedule date. And back to this, we need the charge shipping, which is going to be either true or false. Uh, where? Upload screen and this, okay, this, and we need the shipping charge as well. Shipping charge, upload screen, shipping charge, shipping charge, and the provider. We also do need the brand name of the product and upload screen, brand name, brand name. Okay, so this is gonna be the fields in the database called quantity category, and this is the key. That is the actual value. Remember, we are saving the input of the user to this key called charge shipping, saving the input of the user to this key, and this is what we are using over here. That is the upload screen. Okay, and hopefully you understand. And let's see the other fields we are not saving. And okay, also we need to store the size list, and I think also the category. Okay, we already have that. Okay, should remain just this. Okay, size list. Great. And now we have all these fields. So what we have to do is to delete this product collection, because if we don't, our document is going to have different fields, and this is going to result to error when we are trying to retrieve our product. And products, then delete. Great. And hopefully you save yours, and I've done so. Okay, description. Okay, So make sure you don't have any spell mistake over here, else uh, the name is gonna be different in your database, or it's not gonna have a correct spelling. This does not really matter. You can go ahead and call this whatsoever. So this is gonna be the name of the field that's gonna get created for all those values. And let's go ahead and try this out now to see if all these fields get added. And the product name is gonna be a real product. Uh, Probably I just want to sell cars. I'm gonna say best Toyota Toyo Toyota. Hopefully I can spell. And the price is gonna be $1,000. And the quantity I have just two for this, and the category. You can just go ahead and create a new category for cars. Probably I'm just gonna delete this. Okay, best car. And now I have to pick a schedule date the product is gonna be delivered. And currently I'm making this video 6th. Yes, today is 6th. Sunday, sorry, Monday. Today's Monday. I think the time is currently 12 a.m. in the night. Okay, I'm gonna go with this. Okay, the schedule date has been selected. Then shipping charge here. I want that, and the attribute is gonna be Toyota Toyota. Hopefully I can spell. And the size of the car is gonna be just we have this error over here size. Now in order to you can see we got this error, and this error crashed our app. Now, in order to make it not to crash our app, we have to uncomment all this. So go to debug over here, and you're going to see breakpoint, and just make sure you uncomment all this over here. You're still going to have that error, but it won't stop your app from running. So currently, our app has stopped from running, so we have to restart again. So just make sure you turn off all exceptions, turn off uncaught exceptions, and everything you have over there. So access that, you just have to go to the debug, and you're going to see something like call stack. If you're doing it for the first time, click on that, and you should be able to see the breakpoint, and make sure everything is turned off. And we might still get that error, but it's just going to get thrown at our output, that is our debug console, instead of crashing our app. And currently our app has crashed, so we have to hot reload or hot restart this to see if we can revive our app. So make sure all these breakpoints are turned off so it won't crash our app anymore. Wait for this. I'm really happy we got this error, so you also know how to sort things out in case you experience something like this. So it's good we get errors, so we are able to resolve every errors together. And let's try again to see what will happen. Okay, got restarted without errors again, and let's see if that will bring the error. And okay, and upload screen. And I'm just going to type something gibberish because I'm still going to delete this. This is not really real product. Sorry, it expects a price, sorry, a number, else it's going to result to error. Remember we said the value must be an int or a double for the price, and the quantity is going to be int. And this, and okay, schedule date, and okay, shipping. Yeah, I want to charge for shipping, and 10. Brand is gonna be Toyota Gibberish, and the size is gonna be L. And click on add. Okay, we did not get that error again. You can see we just needed to turn all this off. So make sure you turn yours also. and I'm just gonna pick up to two images. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and click on the okay, and sorry, this has not yet saved. Okay, saved. And now I have to upload this image, 7 images. Okay, hopefully it's gonna get saved shortly. Okay, saved, and I'm gonna click on this to upload the product, and the product is currently being uploaded. And also, we can just go ahead, or you can just go ahead and have that easy loading to tell the product is being uploaded. I think you already have a clue on how to do that, so you can just go ahead and create that easy loading to show okay the collection called product has just been successfully created, and let's see if we have all those fields. Okay, great. The brand name is going to be Toy. I don't know what that is. And the category is going to be egg, and the chat shipping is set to true, and the description is set to baby, and the image URL. I think I uploaded up to two images, but I have just one over here. I think I have up to two, and I'm having up to, just one image over here. Do not worry, we're going to be able to sort that out. And the product ID is going to be this, same as the document ID, and the product name is this. The product price is $10, and the quantity is 9, and the schedule date is February 6, 2023, and everything is working as we expect, and the shipping charge is going to be 10, and we have the list of sizes, and currently we have just the L size. So everything is working as we expect. So the next lecture, probably we're going to be able to sort this uh, image because we have just one instead of two. Okay, see you in the next lecture.